Welcome back in this week's edition of the Business Review. A call to action for local businesses in Old Harbour St. Catherine to fill the gap for skilled professionals in the city. Here is TVJ's Andrew Lately.
With more people moving west for housing and jobs, President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce, Adrian Samuda, wants entrepreneurs in St. Catherine to seize the business opportunities which are arising.
Old Harbour is really a massive community, and I believe that we are not, as business people, unearthing the many needs that consumers have. A lot of persons who live in Old Harbour, they actually going outside of Old Harbour to transact business. So while the population is growing, persons are not growing on a lower level and on a higher level. Now, we have to change in order to grow. Specifically, persons who are not changing are skilled personnel.
But in order to take advantage of the opportunities, Mr. Samuda noted that the entrepreneurs will have to change their business model.
How many of you actually have somebody who is driving revenue? Or we see we father do it and we grandfather do it. He might work on the car. He might wash the car. He might do everything. He don't even follow up with his customer. He not set a target to make him one time. But he expect him car to go. He expect him car service center to go. It will not go that way.
He noted that there is a specific need for skilled professionals in Old Harbour, highlighting that professionals from other areas are overtaking a market which should be dominated by entrepreneurs within the city.
I personally don't believe any skilled persons that reside in Old Harbour supposed to actually complain to them broke. Not with so many houses. Eliminate the word broke out of your mindset right now and go after them. Change the way how you do things, change the way you dress, change the way you smell, change the way you walk.
At the same time, Mr. Samuda is encouraging young people to fill the gap by becoming skilled and qualified in non-traditional areas.
The growing population will create more entrepreneurial ideas for younger people. It's not gone with the days when you think about a job, we think about being a teacher, a lawyer, a nurse, a doctor. You have skilled persons who are making more than doctors. And in Old Harbour right now is something that you can look to tap into. You don't have to look at the traditional jobs because you can live in Old Harbour and create wealth out of Old Harbour based on how the community is positioned.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.